Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can reset your Face ID in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So when you're facing a problem that they cannot reset your Face ID in your iPhone, maybe iPad, so you have to just follow some steps to fix that issue. Simply tap on settings and just go to that interface, and you have to make sure that you have to using the updated version of your iOS in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So make sure you have just updated the software of iOS in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After going back, just scroll down and just go to transfer receiver iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and just reset network settings. So make sure that settings. I'm gonna tell you that setting because many users face issues. They cannot reset Face ID. So make sure that setting before going to reset your Face ID. After that, simply just have to just go back to your settings of your main interface and just select a Face ID and passcode. Just tap on that and just type a password and you just go to that interface, and here you just have to see there is an option reset face id. Just tap on that and just reset your face id in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So that's the video. You have to make sure that settings to fix your issue. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.